Okay guys, today we are checking out a projector that honestly tries to do everything. Smart features, full HD streaming, voice control, and even a sealed dustproof engine. All of this under 15K. So this one we have is the eGate Duster 5X Pro, and on papers it looks very promising, but let's see how it actually performs in real life. See, inside the box you get projector along with Bluetooth remote that feels solid in hand and comes with a dedicated voice action button. Apart from that, there's a power cable and a user manual with a QR based warranty card for activating your 1-year warranty. And a nice thing here is that eGate offers a pickup and drop service, so if anything goes wrong, you don't have to visit service center. They'll handle everything from your home. Now let's start with the design. This is where it actually starts feeling premium for this price. The moment you pick it up, it feels solid and well built, not like those lightweight plastic projectors that feels cheap. There's a nice mix of matte and glossy finish, which gives it a clean and modern look without being too flashy. On the top, you get soft touch buttons that are easy to press and feels quite responsive. And one thing you'll immediately notice is the ventilation. There are large grills placed all around the projector, which helps in proper heat management. So even if you are watching content for longer hours, heating won't really be an issue. Another important thing here is sealed optical engine. It's completely dust proof, and honestly, in this price segment, it's very rare to see a properly sealed projector like this, which means long-term image quality stays consistent without dust inside. The stand is flexible, so adjusting the angles is easy whether you are placing it on the table, slightly tilting it, or even projecting on the wall or ceiling. At the back, you get all the essential ports like HDMI with ARC support, USB, and a 3.5mm aux output, along with a inbuilt 10-watt speaker. And since it's a compact, tabletop style LED projector, you can easily move it around and set it anywhere without any hassle. Setting up this is honestly very easy. The moment you turn it on, it automatically handles focus and aligns the image within a few seconds. So you don't really have to adjust much manually. Even if you slightly move the projector, it quickly readjusts itself, which makes day-to-day usage very convenient. You can place it pretty much anywhere. Front, back, table, or even ceiling, it adapts well. When it comes to projection, this uses a short to mid-throw setup, so even in a normal room, you can easily create a big screen experience. It scales nicely depending on distance, and whether you are projecting on the wall or ceiling, the overall experience feels immersive. Now coming to the smart side, this runs on Android 13 base system with 1GB RAM and 8GB storage, powered by a quad-core processor. The important part here is that it supports Widevine L1 certification. So apps like Netflix, Prime Videos, and Hotstar runs in full HD without needing any external device. You also get a built-in app store where you can install apps if something is missing. Now one honest thing, most of the time the UI feels smooth, but occasionally you might notice slight delays while navigating. It's not a deal breaker, but just something to keep in mind at this price. And eGate has been in this space for a quite long time, so this is not some random new brand. You are getting a more tested and reliable experience overall. And in terms of compatibility, you can connect pretty much anything: your laptop, smartphone, gaming console, streaming stick, and more. Connectivity wise, it's well covered. You get HDMI with ARC support for connecting soundbars or home theaters, USB for direct play, and a 3.5mm aux output for wired audio. On the wireless side, there's a Bluetooth 5.0 and a dual band Wi-Fi with Wi-Fi 6 support, so streaming feels stable. And one thing I really liked here is the screen mirroring. You can directly cast your phone screen and the experience is quite smooth. There's no major lags or frame drops, and even the quality holds up well. So whether you are sharing photos, videos, or presenting, it works reliably. Now coming to the sound, this has a 10-watt built-in speaker, and honestly, it performs better than expected. The audio output is loud enough for a normal room, vocals are clear, there's a bit of bass as well. For most people, especially in a smaller setup, you won't even feel the need for external speakers. But if you want a more cinematic experience, you can always connect a soundbar or Bluetooth speakers. The remote itself is quite feature-rich. You get dedicated buttons for apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Videos, and more, which makes navigation quicker. Here's also a voice assistant button, and yes, it supports AI-based voice commands, so you can just speak and control things easily. You also get a mouse mode, which helps a lot while navigating applications. Now coming to the most important part is the picture quality. See, this is a native 1080p projector, so you are getting true full HD output. At the same time, it also supports 4K video decoding. You can play higher resolution content without any issues. Now one thing which I want to clarify here, a lot of brands throw around very high brightness numbers like 10,000 or 12,000 lumens, but those are not always realistic. Here the brightness feels more practical and usable in the real world condition rather than just number on the papers. In the real usage, the image looks quite sharp with good color reproduction and decent contrast. Dark scenes look impressive in a proper dark room, and overall viewing experience feels immersive. Out of the box, the color has a slightly cooler look, but the good thing is you can easily adjust the color temperature from the settings, so if you prefer a warmer tone or a more natural look, you can tweak it according to your liking. Now in brighter environments, dark darker scene won't look as strong, which is normal for a projector in this range, but overall viewing is still manageable. You can also connect gaming consoles like PS5 and play games on it, but you might feel some input delay. This is not just this projector, it's a common thing in this price range. The lamp life is rated quite high, so for the normal daily usage, you won't really have to worry about it for a long. For my personal experience, once I adjusted the color temperature slightly towards warmer tone, the overall viewing experience became much better and more natural. Everything from sharpness to contrast feels well balanced, especially considering this pricing. So this projector falls under 15,000 segment, and according to everything it offers, smart features, certified apps, good sound and a dustproof design, it actually delivers a strong value for the price. So if you're looking for a projector in this price range that gives you full HD streaming without needing any extra device, good built-in sound, smart features and voice control along with a proper sealed dustproof design, then eGate Duster 5X Pro is definitely a solid option to consider. I'll leave the purchase link in the description below. So if you're looking for a projector below 15K, do consider trying this out. And if you guys have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.